What is up? We got the HP. What do we have here? We got the HP laptop, HP 14CB, HP Stream laptop. Hope to get an unboxing and a little startup for you boys and girls. Alright, so got the HP laptop. It was $230. I got it for $270 plus tax, Canadian. Let's go for it, right? You gotta see that shit. Ooh. Alright, fuck that. I'm gonna do it on this thing. Video's gonna be me unboxing. Literally, my whole video's gonna be me trying to open it. If anyone's watching from HP and wants to send me some free stuff, holla at your boy. So this laptop comes with 1 year of Office 365. I think that's just your Office, I think that's just your Office Word, your Office documents, whatever. Your Microsoft apps. So I got a free year of that included. I did not get that warranty though. That warranty was crazy. Way too much for that warranty. I'm gonna take care of this one. Oh. Bear with me, boys. Bear with me. Gotta rip this shit open. Alright. It is open. Let's see what we got in here. That's clean. That is clean. First paper up top. Questions about the product. Yep. Comes with some nice foam. So if you're biking on the way back and you're scared to drop it, go ahead and drop it next time. Alright. Got the HP, bro. Oh man, we got the HP, bro. We got the laptop. I'm hyped. Let's open this bad boy. Ooh, that's clean. Let me take a moment. Ooh. Let me take this moment. Ooh. Mint. Got it in black. Yeah, that's clean. That's clean. Basic laptop, your Chromebook. I got it for edits. I got it for streaming, surfing the internet. Yeah, pretty much it. What else did I get it for? Yeah, that's it. Edit, streaming the internet, browsing the web, making documents, computer stuff, right? Alright. Let me get a nice little angle for you guys. One moment. Just alright. If you're a computer geek, you know what's up. If you're a computer guy, yeah. It's got the 14-inch screen, N4000 processor, 4 gigs of RAM on here. Let's open it up. Let's open this bad boy up. Right. Ooh. Alright. Fresh. Comes with the screen covered and everything. Well, you can't feel that, but you can hear that. That's good stuff. Alright. Now where's the on button, bro? Right here, slick. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, does this not turn on, or is this not the on button? Okay, I'll come back to you guys. 1 second. I was about to like go back to the store and complain. I was like, it doesn't come with the charger. It's hiding in the corner right there. There's your charger. Yes, sir. There's your nice little charger. Woo! Alright. We got some setup instructions. Woo! Can you guys see that? Yes, you can. Pause it if you need to pause it, huh? Alright. So, step number 1. We got it plugged into the outlet. It looks like we plug it in on this side. Headphones this side. Okay, it's on the other side. Yeah, it's on the other side. Charger right here on the right side. Take notes. Let me bring it around. Yeah, let's see if that fits into the hole. Ooh, yeah. Got the little light going now. Take my seat. Alright. So, we got the internal microphone up top there. We got the wireless antenna. I guess this whole top thing is that. We got the touchpad. Yes, sir. We got the Windows key right there. We got the power button. Fucking redemption. Alright, I guess it takes a while for it to charge. Unless. And then last, but definitely, oh no, there's more. We got the camera up top. Bang, boom. And then we have all these ports on the side. All the ports on the side. Ooh. HDMIs, USBs, headphones, SD slots. Ooh, memory card reader. Yes, sir. Alright. last step we need to do is to select your network. We're just gonna wait for it to charge up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all set up. Oh. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds. No, it's been about like 1 minute, 2 minutes. Jeez. Am I hitting this right? Power. Oh, there you have it. There you have it. Shit's about to go down. Yeah, that's the startup. First time, fresh out the box. This is a basic Chromebook. If you're not working on your Teslas, you should be good with this laptop. HP. Got my HP keyboard that I bought probably like 5 years ago. Coming to a good use. Just a moment. Just give me a moment. Got the angles for you guys. Yeah, I'm really doing that for you guys. If you're thinking about getting this, Stop shaking hands. Select language. Let's see. I am gonna go to English. Right. Click on yes. Just a moment. Welcome. Ooh.
Hi there. I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Oh
A little
shit.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
No one told me about this in the
Use
store.
your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in.
Alright.
Your region is set to Canada. Is that right?
Yes. Igloos, hockey.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
Canadian. Fuck it. You know what?
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
I do, but I'm not going to. Or I am.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Alright.
That way you can get updates, apps, and cat videos as soon as possible.
Alright,
How about the first
so
one on
you
the
guys
list?
had it.
Want to use that one?
That's the startup. Signing out. Alright, so there you guys have it. That's the startup. Journey of G signing out.